How to do bridal makeup, step-by-step tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to do bridal makeup. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or just doing your own makeup for your big day, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Step 1, Skincare. Before you even think about applying makeup, it's essential to take care of your skin. Make sure to cleanse, tone, and moisturize your face. This will create a smooth canvas for your makeup and help it last all day. Step 2, Primer. Once your skincare routine is complete, it's time to apply a primer. A primer will help your makeup stay put and prevent it from creasing or sliding off throughout the day. Use a small amount of primer and apply it all over your face and neck. Step 3, Foundation. Next step is foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and apply it evenly all over your face. Blend it well with a sponge or brush and make sure there are no harsh lines or patches. Step 4, Concealer. Concealer is essential to cover any dark circles or blemishes. Apply a small amount under your eyes and on any blemishes or redness. Blend it well with a sponge or brush. Step 5, Setting powder. To set your foundation and concealer, use a setting powder. Apply a small amount all over your face and neck to prevent any shine or oiliness. Step 6, Contouring. Contouring helps to define your features and add dimension to your face. Use a contour powder or cream to define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Step 7, Blush. Adding a pop of color to your cheeks is essential for a bridal look. Apply a blush that complements your skin tone to the apples of your cheeks. Step 8, Highlighter. For a glowy look, apply a highlighter to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow. Step 9, Eyebrows. Your eyebrows frame your face, so make sure they're on point. Fill them in with a brow pencil or powder to define and shape them. Step 10, Eye makeup. For the eyes, start with an eyeshadow primer to make sure your eyeshadow stays put. Then, apply your chosen eyeshadow colors to create a beautiful bridal look. Finish with eyeliner and mascara to define and enhance your eyes. Step 11, Lipstick. Last but not least, choose a lipstick that complements your overall look. Apply it evenly to your lips and make sure it's long-lasting for your big day. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.